welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out the Beauty Bay Age of Opulence palette. This one really appeals to me. The colours look absolutely gorgeous, really nice. So this has been out, I think it's just over a week now actually, but I got this a few days ago now, and I can't wait to get it on, to be honest. I watched my friend Finn do a video on this, and she created such a beautiful look, and it made me so excited to try it out myself. So this is the outer packaging, very nice. And then this is the palette itself. So absolutely love this. It gives me kind of Gatsby vibes. And then this is the colour story. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Blues, purples, yeah, everything. To be honest, I love these colours. Really nice. And a lovely ratio of mattes to shimmers in there. I do really like the Beauty Bay palettes, if I'm honest. I haven't had a bad one yet. So I'll give the colours a quick swatch for you. Right, okay, so this is the first half. These are so nice, they really are. So we've got RSVP, Prohibition, Gold Digger, Hope, Noir, that swatch is lovely for a black, Speakeasy, Champagne, Rich, Vintage and Curfew. Oh, there we go, Curfew. And then this is the second half. So we've got Jazz, Flapper, Ace, Silk Stockings, Revival, I love that one, Dandy, Crush, Velvet, Decadent and Lavish. So yeah, really beautiful to swatch. Absolutely love them. The shimmers were just effortless. It was just like a quick in the pan, and then just one wipe and effortless. Brilliant. Can't wait to dig in. So let's try it out. Right, okay, so I'm going to start off by going into my outer part here, and I'm going to take it kind of up to about here, and also on my inner part with, I think I'm going to go with this colour here, so Speakeasy, so it's that one.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise.
Okay, so like that is such a nice colour. It's a really nice, like plummy, like aubergine sort of shade. Really nice. And beautifully pigmented as well. And no fallout, which I'm quite surprised about. So that's good. I've just tried to match it up on the other side, and then I'm going to go in on both sides. So it'll be here and here, using, I think I'm going to go for that teal shade. So this one just here, and then I'm just going to leave a gap in the middle for, I might as well just do it all in one go actually, for one of the golds, Judos. And I think I'm going to go for Gold Digger or Champagne. Gold Digger. So this one here.
I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
So like that. So next I'm going in with that gold in the middle.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time
Right, so like that. So then what I'm going to do underneath is kind of copy almost what I've done on the top. So first I'm going on the outer and inner part with that speakeasy colour. So that was this one here.
No, us no more with them, no. No, us no more, no, no.
I'm just going to do the outside and work my way in actually. So then next to that I'm going with the blue, then the gold, then the blue, then the purple again.
We don't know, no, us no more with them, no. No, us no more with them, no. No, us no more, no, no. Yeah.
So that's that done. So then inner corners, I think I'm going to go in with this one here. So it's this one called Champagne. Right, okay, so there's not really a shade that I want to put on my brow bone, so I think I'm just going to go with my normal highlighter on that. So I'm just going to finish up, so lashes, lippy, and obviously that highlighter on my brow bone, and I will be back. And here is the finished look, and yeah, I think it's really cool. I quite like it. Again, I tried to go for something a bit different today, and yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it. The palette is absolutely stunning. Absolutely love it. Really nice, beautiful pigment. The shimmers are incredible. Yeah, and I didn't really get any fallout. I did from the shimmers, but that's to be expected, but not from the matte shade. I didn't get any fallout from that one. So here's a close-up of the eyes. Yeah, absolutely love it. And I think the colours go together really well. And those shimmers are just beautiful. So as promised today, I am going to also be doing the giveaway winner for my 1K giveaway. So I'm just going to grab my tablet and we'll do that now as well. So I've put everyone's names on this wheel and there were a lot of people this time. It took me forever to do this, to be honest. But don't get me wrong, I really, really appreciate everyone that supports me. And it's nice to give something back to you as well. So without further ado, I am going to spin this wheel. So there we go. You are the winner. I think it's Grace Ann Galak. I'm really, really sorry if I've just butchered your name. But yeah, I'll contact you either on Instagram. No, it will be Instagram because I can't contact you on YouTube. So I'll contact you on Instagram. If I can't, then please contact me. My details are all in the description box below. But yeah, well done. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.